Hello, my friend. Today we are going to build a mini zoo for our toys. Are you ready? Let's go. We need some blocks, some colorful ones so we can make nice walls and maybe even a slide. Oh, and we need a big cardboard box, the biggest one that you have. If you don't have a big box, then build one like me. You see, I took several boxes and I taped them together. This is how I made mine. Now let's take the box and let's cover it with the colored blocks. It doesn't matter which color you choose. We're going to have so much fun. Look at this. This looks amazing. And then you can continue covering the box. Of course, you can make different designs. You can even make a roof. That would be super cool. But I want to keep it simple, so I'm just going to keep covering. 1, 2, 3. I'm almost done. Here we go. It's all covered. Now we need to make some windows. That would be so much fun. And of course we need doors. Otherwise we cannot enter the zoo. My favorite part, the slide. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Look at this blue one. It's so pretty. Stick it to the wall. There we go. Perfect. And look, we even have a ladder. How awesome is that? And now we are going to build a little house for our toys. A little cozy house. This will be perfect for the animals to relax during the day. Oh, I love this. I love this so much. Look at this beautiful house. The slide is also awesome. We built an amazing zoo so far. But what about the animals? The first animal that we're going to build is a dog. A cute little doggy. First we need 2 ears. Of course, a doggy needs to have 2 ears. And then we're going to make a little head. And then we need a body. And this is how you build a doggy. You can also add some details with the markers. Look, I even drew a little tail. And of course we need a collar. Then we need to put the head on top. There we go. This is such a cute dog. And now we need to make some food. Doggy food. You can use Play-Doh, or you can cut some carrots. Carrots are good for the doggy, and of course we need some water. Do you see this little bird? He wants some water too. Maybe we can build him a little house. Yeah, like this one. Oh, he's so happy. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I see a kitty cat. A little kitty cat. She's all alone. Let's build her a house. A little pink house. Of course we need some cat food. Can you see this fish? This fish is perfect. And then we need some water. Look at this beautiful pool. She's gonna love it. And of course we need a scratching post. This one is all yours, little kitty. And now we can put the cat inside. There she goes. Oh, and we cannot forget about the birds. They live in a tree. A little birdie house. Oh, I love this. And we need some branches. And then, of course, food for the birds. Look at this one. It's full of seeds. And of course, water for the little birdies. And this is how it looks. So pretty. I love my mini zoo. And now we going to invite all the kids from the neighborhood, and we going to have so much fun. The end.